Hello students, today's lesson is from your vocabulary, grammar, and punctuation book. So please open your book on pages 42 to 43. We'll be talking about Unit 3, apostrophes for possession. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to use apostrophe correctly to show possession. So like what we have discussed yesterday, apostrophe is a punctuation mark. So it is similar to a comma, but it is written up. So here in this sentence, this is the punctuation mark, the apostrophe, and this is the apostrophe. Okay, so let's review. When do we use an apostrophe? So like what we mentioned yesterday in the video I sent you, apostrophe is used in two ways. To show apostrophe for contraction, like this one, instead of writing does not, you use apostrophe to join the two words. So you have doesn't. And the second use of apostrophe is to show possession or to show the owner, who owns the thing. So here, Molly's cat. So here, the apostrophe was used to show that the cat is owned by Molly. So Molly is a person. She is the owner of the cat. So we write Molly's cat instead of writing Molly owns a cat or Molly has a cat. We simply write Molly's cat. Apostrophe S here shows that Molly is the owner of the cat. The apostrophe here again does not show possession. This shows contraction or joining of two words, does and not. The apostrophe here was not used for possession. The apostrophe here is used to show possession. Now, remember, when something belongs to someone or something else, use apostrophe to show possession. Another example, we have a teacher here and the teacher owns this book. So instead of saying the book of the teacher, we can simply write the teacher's book. So notice that this is shorter compared to this. And we don't need to write the teacher owns the book, the teacher is the owner of the book, or the book belongs to the teacher, because the apostrophe here already expresses who is the owner of the book, the teacher. So here, how do we convert this sentence into apostrophe for possession? We simply start with the owner. So in this case, the owner is the teacher. And then, like what we said yesterday, if it does not end with S, you add apostrophe S, followed by the object that that person owns. So in this case, the teacher owns a book. So we write the teacher's book. Another example, the toys of the children. So here we have three children and they own these toys. So instead of saying the toys of the children or the toys belong to the children, we can simply say the children's toys. Again, remember to start with the owner. In this case, the owners are the children. So since the word children does not end in S, we write apostrophe S. And then followed by the object they own. So in this case, the children own toys. So we write the children's toys. So let's have a practice. Here we have two sentences and we can write them into one sentence. How do we do that? Again, we start with the owner. So here there is one shark. Who or what is the owner? The owner is the shark. So we start with the shark, followed by apostrophe S, since the word shark does not end in S. And what does the shark own, or what does the shark have? What does it have? It has teeth. So we write what the shark owns, or what the shark has. The shark has teeth. So we write teeth. The answer is shark's teeth. The shark's teeth are sharp. Next, number 2. Here, there are 2 spiders. So we have more than one spider. So since this word already ends in S, we don't need to write apostrophe S. We simply add apostrophe at the end of the word. So again, we start with the owner, the spiders. What does the spider own? What does it have? Okay, they have webs. So we write here webs. Again, you start with the owner and then the object they own. So in this case, the spider's webs catch insects. Number 3, there are 6 lizards. Their tails have stripes. So since the word lizards already end in S, we simply add apostrophe. And then what do they have? What do they own? They have tails. So we write tails. The lizard's tails have stripes. Number 4, there is one pig. Its tail is curly. Who is the owner? The pig. The word pig does not end in S. We write apostrophe S. And what does the pig have? It has a tail. So we write here tail. The pig's tail is curly. Next, there are 2 bears. So we have more than one bear. Since the word already ends in S, we simply add apostrophe. The bears, what? What do the bears own? What do they have? They have fur. So the bear's fur keeps them warm. So again, always start with the owner, followed by the object they have or the object they own. Let's go to activity number 2. Here, you simply add apostrophe S to change the noun into possessive noun. So here, the girl, apostrophe S, bow, the girl's bow was pink. Next, the dog, apostrophe S, the dog's bone was big. My mom, apostrophe S, my mom's car is red. The teacher, apostrophe S, the teacher's shirt is black. The book, apostrophe S, the book's pages are long. The bike, apostrophe S, the bike's tires are flat. The police officer, apostrophe S, the police officer's badge is shiny. The tree, apostrophe S, the tree's leaves were green. Again, why did we write apostrophe S in all these words? Because they do not end in S. So if the word does not end in S, we add apostrophe and then S. But if the word ends in S, we simply add apostrophe. Now let's move on to activity 3. So this is an independent activity. You practice at home, you try it by yourself. But let me show you how to answer this. I will answer number 1 for you. The dish of the cat. So again, we start with the owner. Who is the owner of the dish? The cat. So we write the cat's, since cat does not end in S, we write apostrophe S. The cats, what? What does the cat have? What does it own? It owns a dish. So the cat's dish. So same here in number 2. You start with the owner. The coat of the boy. Who is the owner? The boy. And what does the boy have? Coat. So the boy's coat. So answer 2 to 10 by yourself. Now let's have a recap. When something belongs to someone or something else, use apostrophe to show possession. Examples: the book of the teacher, the teacher's book, the toys of the children's toys. You can also answer the classwork in your book, pages 42 to 43, or handbook, pages 8 in advance, or you can do that online with me tomorrow. And you can also watch the video here. Just click this link below or copy and paste this in your browser to learn more about our lesson today. Thank you for listening.